Right. Welcome to introduction to Canva. Because we have looked at the job description or the functions or the tasks of a virtual assistant, and we were able to understand that it is very much important that any virtual assistant person should be able to understand how to make a simple graphics. you know you might call yourself a graphics designer, okay, but then trying to use some um difficult graphics design tools like CorelDRAW and Adobe products can be very much difficult for a beginner or for someone that wants to start any money immediately. Okay, so we looked at this and we're able to say that it is very much important for us to quickly introduce how to use Canva. Okay, how to use Canva. Okay, and this is not just about introduction, it's about how to use and how to master Canva. Okay, so that you can be able to edit any template and then work for your client, and your client will be very much amazed with your output. Okay, so then we're also going to be dropping a comprehensive video on how to use this Canva. So this section is just a quick run with a slideshow of what Canva is all about, the pro and the free version of it, and then some other tools you can see on Canva, and how you can just general understanding of what Canva is all about before we drop the main Canva video. Okay, and then within this course we're going to also be introducing our pro Canva team, Digitech Solutions Pro Canva team. This Pro Canva team enables you to use professional templates. Can be graphics, can be videos, can be logos, flyer, anything you think of from Canva that is premium. Once you are among our team, you are entitled to all these things. So we're going to introduce that and how does it work. Okay, now welcome. This presentation will show you how to get started with Canva and create stunning designs effortlessly. Okay, so let's get started. Setting up on Canva. Create an account, free and pro option. So when you want to create account for Canva, you'll be given the options of whether to choose a free version or the pro version of Canva. Okay, but then you don't want to go for this pro version because we are already going to give you a subsidized rate for 1 year. Okay, so just choose the free version. Okay, and then we will give you access to our pro Canva team because we are becoming one as Digitech family. So we want to see ourselves grow together and give ourselves every support we need to make money online. Okay, so just create the free version of Canva, where we are gonna give you the pro version. Okay, by the time you subscribe. Okay, now navigate the dashboard and design interface. So once you create account, you'll be able to see with a lot of Canva dashboard and Canva design interface. Okay, so many of us are being used to Canva, but some of us may not understand what I mean. But by the time you watch the video tutorial, you'll be able to understand how to navigate the dashboard and the design interface. Okay, so now create in your first design. Okay, select template by category and then customize layout and customize sizes, layout and text. Mind you that every platform has a specific size which you want to post. Okay, that's why if you want to post on Facebook and Instagram, the resolution of what you post on Facebook can be different from the size of what you post on Instagram. So that the video tutorial I'm going to be dropping will also be able to explain how you can be able to get these customized sizes. Choose the platforms you want to get started with and just edit your template and work and deliver for your clients. Okay, so this is more often for those of us that will be working as social media manager or email marketing manager or even customer care manager. Okay, so you, or even data entry manager, okay, you are going to be using this Canva for simple designs, okay, for your company or for the persons you're going to be working for. Okay, so now let's look at, I want to make this very fast so that we don't waste a lot of time here. So we watch the real Canva tutorial and then we get started. Now we have join Digitech Solutions Canva Pro team. Okay, now we have unlock pro features for just 2,000 naira per year with our team. Now we have already bought a 1 year Canva product. Okay, now usually 1 year Canva product is 6,000 naira, but we are gonna save you 66,000 naira for just 2,000 naira per year. Okay, so you are expected to join our team and save yourself the stress of paying a whopping amount of 66,000 naira. So in order to use or to unlock Canva Pro features. Okay, now once you get started with our Pro Canva features, okay, we will add you to our team using your email address. Then you will be able to use Pro Canva templates by their categories, okay, and by the niche or by the kind of design which you want, which can be video, graphics, or anything you're thinking of. Once you pay this money, 2,000 naira, we will give you access using your email address which you have used to sign in to Canva. Mind you, before you get started with Canva, we advise you register an account. So that email address which you use to register an account is the same email address that you will use for this Canva Pro feature. So once we are requesting for your email address, please do well to give us that email address so that we give you immediate access to that email address, and then you will start using Canva Pro for your amazing and professional designs. Okay, that's very simple. Okay, now premium template, fonts, and design tools all included. Now because we are going to be using these pro features, look at the benefits. We have premium templates, fonts, design tools, many things you can think of. In fact, you are limited to nothing. You just drag and drop a bit, and within a couple of 10 minutes, 5 minutes, you are done with amazing good designs because you are on Canva Pro. Mind you, this Canva Pro is not just cheap as what we're giving it out right now. Okay, but we're giving it out because we are already seeing ourselves as team and we're gonna grow together. Okay, so once you have this, if any client contacts you for graphics design, you 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 chest it and say yes, I can be able to design this. Okay, and you go along to design for your clients. Most of my clients I'm designing for, I use Canva Pro for them and they are very much happy because what I'm giving them is premium templates, premium fonts, and premium design tools, and they are very happy because it is very fast. Okay, it is very fast and fast as possible. So let's get started. Okay, now customizing text and fonts. Now what you're going to be doing is add and format text easily, because what you're going to be doing is just to edit, drag and drop. It's very easy. By the time you watch that video, you'll be able to understand what I mean. So explore fonts via basic and pro. Now because of you have already subscribed to our pro features, now you have both the basic font options and the pro font options in terms of text. Now whatever text you want to use for a design, because text is what makes design what it is. If you know how to use text, then you can able to design like a professional. Okay, so now we have explore fonts, both basic versus pro. Now you can use any of them because of you have subscribed to our pro Canva features. Now uploading and using images. Now you can also upload personal images, or you use you have access to Canva free photo and premium photo library. Okay, if you have paid for the Canva this thing, once you make payment will add you immediately, and you start enjoying graphics design. You will start seeing yourself as a professional graphics designer, because how to use images and text and design tools will very much easy for you because of you are using Canva Premium, and this is for 1 year lifetime. Wow, if I'm you, I'll be the first to hit my inbox. Okay, so why join Digitech Solutions Canva Pro team? Access millions of premium photos, icons, and elements. These are what makes up your graphics. Okay, premium photos, icons, and elements. Okay, now collaborate with ease and save 66,000 naira compared to direct pro pricing. Wow, if I'm you, I will hit my inbox right now and then ask for, please sir, I'm interested in the pro Canva theme. How can I make payment? You're just making a payment of 2,000 naira out of 66,000 naira when compared to direct pro pricing. That's good. Wow, amazing. Now using the design elements such as shape, icons, etc. Now discover shapes, icon, and lines. Okay, some of these are free, some of them are pro, but I bet you what will make your design what it is the pro features. Okay, by the time you watch this video, you understand what I'm saying, because it's gonna be a comprehensive video from basic to master, basic to professional. If you're in our team, we don't expect you to see less or to have less, so we equip you with everything possible for you to succeed out there in the industry. Now you discover shapes, icons, both WhatsApp icon, web icon, email icon, location icon, house, whatever icon which you can search for, it is there in the premium feature or in the pro version of Canva. Okay, and lines, whatever you want to do, you do that. Okay, now combine elements for unique designs. Okay, now we have promo exclusive features with Digitech Solutions, such as background remover, magic resize, brand kits. Okay, on Canva Pro you can able to remove your background, magic size, you can just resize it. Okay, band kits, I'm also gonna be dropping another video because of what I'm saying here right now, how to combine ChatGPT with Canva. Okay, once you subscribe to our pro version, I'll give you that video. You hear that the sky is your starting point. Okay, now tools for better design management and branding. Okay, they are all for our exclusive features in our Digitech Solutions team pro features. Okay, now we have sharing and exporting your design. Once you are done with this amazing design, well, the next thing is to start sharing and export the design in the following formats: PNG, JPG, PDF, MP4. You will see a lot of software output designs. Okay, soft copy output designs. Okay, you can be able to export to any soft copy format which you want and share to your client. Okay, share to your client, so share directly or collaborate with others. Now because of you have already done this, you can also share your designs with the link to someone and tell the person, please look at this link. You're giving the person access. Okay, the person can edit and share back to you. Okay, now sign up for pro access at 2,000 naira per year, and then contact us on WhatsApp via 08078011325. Okay, it's on the screen, or email us at info@digitechsolutions.ng for easy registration. If you have any question or answer, we are here to reply you at the comment section below. Okay, stay connected and follow us on the social media channels if you've not. Okay, thank you for participating. Okay.